Well, everything checks out here. I would like to continue our inspection down on level 4.
But the ion generator systems are on this level.
Okay.
Don't you want to take a look at those?
Well, I thought we could do that on the way back.
Well, Doctor, you certainly know more than I, but wouldn't it seem a great deal more efficient if we were to check each level in order?
Well, under ordinary circumstances, yes,
Dr. Joseph? Dr. Joseph, report to level 1, code 2.
Sounds urgent.
Yes, it's a critical data analysis problem. Hopefully, it'll only take me a moment. Wait here.
Well, why don't you just leave the keys with me and I can continue?
No, wait for me.
I'll tell you what. I'll just continue checking the ion generators until you get back, okay?
Okay.
Certainly know a lot more about that than I would.
Yes, I certainly would. And let's keep it that way.
Has he got a brother?
No.
How about a friend? A father?
No.
Why do you want Patterson's dossier? Do I have to prove to you his qualifications are more than enough?
Ted, spare me the arguments. It's not a question of his qualifications.
Then what's your problem?
His identity.
What are you talking about?
Has to be something in here. Has to be. Aha.
What is it?
Dr. Patterson has an artificial knee and walks with a cane.
What? Where is he?
Take it easy. Take it easy. He's on level 3. I have the keys.
Somebody firing up the reactor?
Well, they must need a big load of extra power down in the lab. I'll kill the tone.
I thought Hammond wanted to keep the nuclear power plant shut down till after the safety inspections.
Probably part of the same safety inspection, you know, checking out the systems.
Yeah. Do we have any cream left?
Diane, you check the computer room. Paul, you take the utility room. I'll check the ion generators.